Now student, today our subject is EVS chapter 3, My Body. Now student, today we all are going to learn something interesting. So today our concept name is activity paste matching stickers. What? P-A-S-T-E paste M-A-T-C-H-I-N-G matching S-T-I-K-E-R-S stickers. Okay, so you ready for that? Okay, so let's start our today's concept. Now students, look at here. This is your activity book. Okay, now I am going to open this book. Page number 53. Paste matching stickers. Identify the parts of the body in the pictures. Paste stickers of actions that match these body parts. Use the stickers page at the end of the book for this activity. Now student, first of all close your eyes. You can see anything? No, right? Now open your eyes. Now you can see all the things, right? Why? Because you have opened your eyes, right? Now here, look at here. Now look at here. Which part of this are eyes, right? So tell me, what is the use of our eyes? For the see, right? Now here some stickers are here. Okay, you have to stick these stickers in these boxes. Okay, so what is the use of our eyes? For the see. Okay, now tell me, now which picture the boy using his eyes? Tell me. Yes, this one, right? Now this sticker I am going to stick in this box. Okay, like this. Now next, which part is this? Tell me. Ear, right? Now tell me, what is the use of our ear, right? What is the use of our ear? Tell me. For the listening, right? Now look at here. Look at this page. Now tell me, in which picture, which boy is listening with the help of ear? Tell me, this one, or this one? Or this one? Yes, in this picture, this boy is listening with the help of his ear, right? Now, take this sticker and stick in this box like this. Okay, now next. Tell me, which part is this? Which part is this? Tongue, right? And what is the use of tongue? Yes, tongue is recognize the taste, right? Bitter, sour, right? Like this. Now, look at here. Now tell me, in which picture boy look at these pictures. Now tell me, in which picture boy licking the ice cream? Yes, this one, right? This boy is licking the ice cream with the help of his tongue, right? Now you take this sticker and stick in this box like this. Now next, which part is this? Yes, hand, right? And what is the use of our hand? Yes, for holding the things, right? Now look at here. Now tell me, in which picture boy holding the cat by using the hands? Which picture? Yes, this, right? Now you have to take this sticker and stick in this box like this. Now last one. Tell me, what is the use of this part? And what is the name of this part? Nose, right? And what is the use of nose? For taking smell, right? Yes. Now, look at here. This boy is taking smell with the help of his nose, right? So, you have to take this sticker and stick in this box like this. Okay. Now student, like this you have